Hi, and welcome back to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I have another journal to show you guys. I've been working on the Rustic Autumn Journey kit for Sunflowers Indoors Guest Design Team. This is what I made with the kit. I have fabric that is printed with the kit on it. It's like just a big collage. I sewed around the little blocks right in here, did a zigzag stitch all the way around and paint the edges to match that zigzag stitch. And it is a multicolored fabric, a multicolored thread. So the side has a grommet up here to hold this tassel. So the tassel has a dangle. It has eyelash trim. Beads are stuck on here. I have a button and beads on this one. Sari silk. There's lace. Fabric, strips of fabric on here that kind of coordinate. More beads and beads here. I tried to put them to where they would be kind of flowing around. This one has my logo on it. So I'll put it up there at the top. And this tassel is real easy to take off. You can just, watch me say that, it's just clip in and clip off. So the cover, like I said, is made from fabric. I sent to Spoonflower to have it printed. I did a quarter of fat quarter of fabric, so that left me, I still have more. Well, I was having trouble with the closure, how to fix it, because I wanted the owl here to show, and I'm still covering them up, but I decided to put grommets in here, and I took some brown fabric and I cut it and ripped it along the grain, so it's left some frayed edges like on here that goes with the rustic theme of the journal. And you can tie it, you can take and change it around if you want to. Oh, the size is 9 1/4 tall, 6 inches wide, 2.5 inches of spine with 3 signatures. So you got this beautiful owl, some mushrooms. On the inside, I covered the inside with brown fabric. I have a piece of lace here. It's a big pocket. I put this card in. This is a picture I took in 2006 or 7, maybe earlier than that. I put it on a postcard. This is an envelope, a pocket that you can put stuff in. But what's unique about this one is that I have some sticky tape on here. You just pull this off and you can put it wherever in the journal that you want. That way it's more user friendly and you can make it more your own. So here's a little pocket, and I have some of the fabric in here just as and there is a little pocket right behind that. So then there is a tag here. There's a pocket here and a pocket here. A little stuff down in there. That fits back behind it. So this opens up and there's another pocket on the inside. So it does reach pretty good ways down in there. And I have a Velcro closure on that one. And then you got dangles. I got a lot of dangles on the edges. This is sewn all the way down. This is a journaling card in a pocket, a little tuck. This is a large journaling or pocket with another picture that I took. This was in 2014, The World of Coke. At Christmas time, they put those out. So that's one of my favorite pictures that I've taken. You have an owl. Here is a belly band. And actually, you have 2 in 1 if you wanted to. I've just put a little notebook in here with different writing pages. The same over here. Another belly band. I decorated the back of that one with that. So this one is decorated on the back. Over here you got a postcard with some beads on them in a pocket. I put little jewels throughout the journal. Here's a, we call that masterboard that I made. I thought it went really good in here. So this is another little pocket. Put that back there. And this right here. Then this is, it's attached to an envelope, which has another journaling card in there. Jewels. Here's another pocket with another journaling card. So I coffee dyed this. This was one of my first coffee dyed pages. So the pages in here, they're coffee dyed. I did. This is a first. I didn't know how to do it, so it wound up pretty grungy, but I like it. Have a lace here with another little bangle. Here's the other side of that envelope. And here we have all kinds of pockets in this little thing. So I call this the mountain pocket. I have a video on this particular pocket. I put a little fairy in there. There's a tag. Another journal, masterboard card. A tag that goes right in here. And then on the very back, there's another one. So you got all that pocket space. Over here, have a tag behind this pocket. This pocket has some little extras in here just to of ephemera. And this is the other side of that great big pocket up here. It's the other side of this one. And I've got a big journaling card and tag card in there. Some more lace, and I put an owl on that dangle. Here's some secret writing space. There's a postcard in this one. This I also made on a video that you can go back and look at. It's a journaling card, tag, specimen, a specimen tag journaling card. I don't know what I called it, but I got grommets in there if you want to put dangles on it. It fits just perfect in this little bag. Here's some more dangles. This is a part of a quilting book. So right here you got a little journaling card. There's plenty of little stickers right there. And then right here I've got some more stickers. You can color this. It's actually a pattern for a quilt. Would be great for coloring page. Another masterboard card that you can put some dangles in. A tag with some of the kit put in here. And another pocket. You open this up, there's a pocket and a journaling card. I have this doily, paper doily in here. On this side is a belly band that's coffee dyed. And then you have a little notebook that I sewed right down the middle. I like that one. I hadn't really made any like that before, so that was very fun. Over here is another bead with the bird. The other side of that, got some little tickets, a journaling card, little girl. That's the other side of the quilting page right here. This is a little pocket, a little envelope, and I just stuck on the side. I got those little paper clips on Amazon. So then you got another journaling card. Here's another little notebook to write in. This came from Value Printables, one of her sewing kits. This is just an envelope. It came from My Porch Prints, I believe. So you got another little hiding place. Here's another notebook in this paper bag. There's so you have this belly band with the bag. Have a journaling card. Another tag. This tag has pockets in it. I didn't put anything in this one. You got a pocket back here. Here's a journaling card. A doily that I cut a circle out and glued it on there. Here's another tag, specimen window card. It's just clipped on here with these little paper clips. So you can move it around if you want. Another dangle. So over here we've got a belly band with a pull-out journaling spot with a dangle on it. Copy dyed paper that I did. I love this one. I like the patterns. Here's another little journaling spot, little notebook. Some more dangles. This is a tag that I got clipped on with the paper clip. Here's a little masterboard and a flip out that I put on here. Thought that was cute. I have a Hello Fall journaling card. You can put some more dangles there. I have this is a coffee dyed page on a tag. So I've got a lot of grommets in here, so you can put dangles and stuff if you want. I've got this journaling card. for tag, and I've got that one. And they just fit into these little pockets perfectly. So there's a lot of writing room in this journal. Here's another postcard with a little pocket. Here's another one of my favorite pockets. So this one has an extra little pocket right there that I've added on. And then you've got that pocket. There's one right here. Actually, no, I'm gonna go back to front. So there's one way back there. There's one right there. And then there's one right here, and this one, and that one. And I put some burlap here, some little jewels to help make it stand out. It's a pocket with a journaling card. So all together, you see, it has, let me just put my paper over here, 18 tags, 6 belly bands, 19 journaling cards, 36 pockets. I'm not sure what the MJ was at the moment. Oh, and it's got 11 dangles. Probably has more than that now because I've added more. 72 pages and 3 signatures. So I hope that you like this. I'm going to have it up in my Etsy shop sometime later today. You can go back and watch all the videos that I did. Most of them, I videoed most of this except for the last part of putting some of the pockets in. And you're welcome to go over there and look and see how it was made. Check out Mandy's digitals over there at Sunflower and Doors. I'll leave a link below for you. And this just, I love it. It feels so good. It's not real heavy right now. Let's see. So it's like 19 ounces. But I will get this up, and I'm going to send some more stuff with it besides what's in here to help you further decorate it and make it your own. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you next time.